welcome back. We're going to actually be translating now. Now that we know what parts are what, now we're going to go from English to math. All right, let's look at the first word phrase. A number n increased by 5. All right, so here's a number, but I don't know what number it is. Did they give me a name for that number?
N.
Yeah, n. So we're going to use n. There's our variable. What then is the... Yeah, that increased is plus 5. That increase is plus. Good. So our algebraic expression is n plus 5. Thank you. Let's look at the next one. A number h, that's our variable, times. What symbol can I use for times? The multiplication symbol. I can use an x for multiplication. Do you see the problem yet?
It can look like a variable.
It could look like the variable x. And if I didn't have the context of the words, I wouldn't know which one you mean.
Oh, you have to put them together.
So we can smash them together without a symbol and write for h. We normally put the number first to make it look like a coefficient. Or we can use the dot symbol and do h dot 4. But if you use the dot, be careful, because if you put it too low, it looks like a decimal. Which is why most people just mash them together. It's less ink from our pens. Okay? And so that's what you'll see me use. You might also see me use a little star, which kind of looks weird if I'm writing too quickly, like this one. Kind of looks strange. You might also see parentheses. You might see it this way. But I'm going to tell you right here, right now, that this last one, I'm not going to use in that way. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to put the 4 first. Because this we're going to save for something else later. It'll come up really quick, I promise. Okay? So this soon won't mean multiply. I'll try to explain what it means when we get there. So you'll see me write that times this way. Quotient of. It's a divide sort of thing. And since I said quotient of, it's going to give me a list of 2 things. The 15 and the y are the 2 things. This is going to be the numerator.
And denominator.
And this one's the denominator. And which one goes on top?
15.
The 15, the numerator. And then the denominator y goes on the bottom. If you're having trouble seeing there, you can look here. It's the same thing. Can you see it better? No, you want to make it bigger. Better. Okay. All right, 7 minus the products of n and a number k. The 7's easy. The minus is easy. It's this part. What is product of? Yeah, it's a multiply thing. So I'm multiplying, again, a list of numbers. What 2 numbers am I multiplying together?
9 and k.
The 9 and k, and just like what we did the multiplication up here, we're going to mash them together. And so my final expression looks like that. All right? Take some time and head to your notes page, so that way, your daily work page, excuse me, and start on 2 through 9.